Hi lovelies, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this egg sauce and also the yam. Please do well to watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos. You can always leave a comment and also like this video. First, in my pot, I'll go in with my vegetable oil. I'll let this heat for a few minutes before I'll go in with my onion. So I'll just let this onion also heat for some minutes till it looks as if it's almost getting burnt. But please let it not get burnt. I say look as if it shouldn't get burnt. In my pot, I'll go in with my fresh cut tomato. So if you don't want to use this big, you can cut it smaller. If you also want it this big or bigger, you cut it to your preference. Once I'm done, I'm going to just give this a good mix. I won't be adding anything immediately. I'll just make sure it heats a little bit. And next, I'll go in with my blended fresh pepper. I'll just give this a good mix. I'm doing this on low heat, or should I say medium heat. And I'll go in with my salt. Then I'll add my seasoning cube. I'll add my spices. Here I have the rosemary spice. Then I'm also going to add my thyme. If you have more spices to add to yours, you can do what to add. It's totally optional. If you also have ginger and garlic, you can add to your own. These are just the spice I'll be using for this food. I'll just close my pot for 2 minutes so it will cook a bit. And this is all we're having here in the next 2 minutes. Now I'll go in with my egg. So I whisked my egg in this plate before pouring it in. So I'll just pour my egg in the pot. I won't immediately turn this thing so that the egg will be able to mold. If I turn it now, my egg sauce would not look lumpy. So I left it for some seconds, or I'm saying for 1 minute, before turning it this way so it does not also get burnt. I'm trying to get it a bit lumpy, and I also don't want my pot to get burnt. So that's it. Just give this a gentle mix. I'll just let this cook a bit. I added little water. It's totally optional. If you don't add water to yours, you can do well to leave it that way. Then here I'm going in with my vegetable, which is the last thing I'm adding to this. I don't want it overcooked. That is why I added it later. So I'll just give this a good mix. So I'm just turning it this way so my egg does not become too scattered in the pot. Like I want to see it a bit lumpy. And that's it for our egg sauce. You can add any other vegetable you wish to add. You can also skip the vegetable part if you don't have any. If you're still watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is totally free. You're not being charged for it. Don't also forget to leave a question if you have any question, and also like. Also, you can tell me what you'll be doing different in this egg sauce. If maybe you're the one making it, what will you do different? Or what will you add, or what won't you add to this very food? Then here I'm going to cut my yam to the desired shape. You can cut it in any shape you wish. I'll just cut and peel the yam. Once I've peeled the yam, I'll just wash this. No, so this is not hot water. I just use water that is in my kettle to wash the yam. Then I'll wash this yam. I'll place it in my pot and I'll cook my yam. If you wish to fry your yam, you're free to do that. But I just want boiled yam for this very egg sauce. It actually goes well with fried yam, with boiled yam, even your roasted yam. Do anyone that pleases you. Do you know you can also pair your egg sauce with things like rice, plantain, potato? It actually goes well with all these things and many more. And I'll add some salt to it to taste. before turning on my gas. I'm going to put this in the gas and I'll let this cook for some minutes. And this is what I have in here, our yam and our egg sauce. And if you're to do this, is there anything you'd have done differently? Is there anything you'd have loved to adjust in your own recipe? You can share with me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.